Now what happens into the delete route? Let's say app dot, now this is delete, and not, oh sorry, this is post, then delete, then delete. Remember, still we are using our system, our database. So we rec and res, then we can use these arrow keys, and we want to be perfect, and to be perfect we require to have the ID. The ID is the one that when you use it, actually you cannot miss because it's unique. So we say we use a const variable to store our ID. So ID is the one that we get from the user requested body. Dot that ID the user is going to give us, delete item ID, delete item ID, delete item ID. These commas, this semicolon at the end in ECMAS 6 and above doesn't matter, but for the good practice it's good to have them, but it will not work if you leave them behind. Now we are saying we have that. Let's also say we have now got ID. Okay, now let's try to delete it. So we try and catch, and what are we going to do? We are going to await. I say await, and we are waiting db.query, and we are querying database. And what we are doing, we are going to delete, okay, from somewhere. Delete from our table, which is items, where ID is, let's say $1. Alright, and $1, let's take that ID, this one that we have stored by this person who entered delete ID, and that's all. Now after that we need to redirect, res.redirect, or this one is going to refresh the page so that it can update what we have done automatically without updating it ourselves.